Hello, Tucker. Mrs. Duncan here. I'm just going to quickly go over with you what we have planned on the schedule for today. Starting off for Monday, December 7th, 2020, I'm going to have you scroll down to the bottom. I'm going to have you click Weekly Check-in for me. Okay? It is going to take you to the wonderful weekly check-in that we have. And our questions today are, how are you feeling today? I'm great, ready to learn. I'm okay, I'm not so great. Why are you feeling that way? Is there anything that I need to know? And our fun question is, how many teeth have you lost so far? So once you're done with that, you're going to hit submit so I can read your response. Also on our agenda or our schedule for today is we have our math notes. Now I dropped off at your house your math notes for this, so you're not going to need to use your math notes or your math notebook. I'm sorry, I gave you the pre-copied math notes, which I know you prefer those. We have our two videos that I'm going to have you watch, video 1, video 2. And I want you to use the math note sheet that I gave to you to write down your answers. Okay, it's the same thing that I have on these videos. Then you have your exit ticket, which is on Google Drawings. It's a couple division problems. To answer everything on here, you're going to click this drop down, click scribble, and then you can scribble your answer in like so. But don't actually do that, actually do the math for me. Alrighty. Also on our schedule for today, we have a Zoom at 9:30, and we're going to go over some of our Wonders questions in our book. We have a new story we're going to read. And Mrs. Flynn, I think, is going to log on, hopefully, with us for this tutorial, or this Zoom, I'm sorry, and she's going to work in the breakout session with you. And afterwards, you have a grammar activity. So you're going to click that. It says watch the video first, then complete the grammar activity. So you're going to watch this video. Then you're going to complete the grammar activity. To log on, you're going to use all caps. Your first name, last name, 99. So it's going to be Tucker Seaman 99. Your password is capital B, Bobcats 1. So you're going to click on this activity. And I don't think it's going to have me log in because I'm signed into my teacher account. No, it's not having me log in. All right, there you go. You're going to go work on this for me, please. And you can click to have it read to you. Oh, you should be able to. Let's see. Oh, yes. No. I thought I could make this read out loud. I guess not. Let me look into this, and I'll let you know if I can get that to work. Okay. Next we have recess and lunch. We have a double special today. You have science and health, so click on the special schedule. You have 2 assignments there. For Zern, I'd like you to complete lesson 20 by Friday. In the afternoon at 2:30, I have a Zoom math help planned. So if you need to log on to ask me math questions, whether it be on Zoom or Zern or your exit ticket or anything you're struggling with math, I am here to help you at 2:30. Log on and I'm here to help. Your novel study, you need to read. I think you're reading Because of Winn-Dixie, if I remember correctly. Let me look at my chart. Yes, you are. So you're reading Because of Winn-Dixie. I would like you to complete chapter 20 by the end of the week. And if you need, let me see here, the audiobook. I'm going to copy and paste this. If you need the audiobook, let me do tab. It's right there for you. So you can just go ahead and click audiobook. It'll take you right to where you need to go. All right, Tucker. That is it, my friends. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to message me. All right. Or if you want, you can video chat me if that's easier for you. All right. Ta-ta, friend. Ta-ta.